Dah. Okay, I can repeat. For this our meeting, we can presentation about selecting and creating title in car or classroom action research. And before that, we will introduce ourselves. My name is Rasid Patmasari.
My name is Muhammad Ihsan Sanusi.
My name is Sharon Isharul Pratama.
Okay, and this one is okay. Sorry, Mimi.
Meme Dimas.
And last, Dimas Alif Ma'ruf. And the first, Muhammad Ihsan Sanusi. Time is yours.
Okay, here I'm going to tell you about understanding title in car. Title in classroom action research is a reflection of problem clear from identifying the problem in the class. So, title is a result of problem in the class, and with a good title, it will make it easier for readers to know what is the problem and what is the solution. And then CAR is research that conducted by teacher in a classroom to improve the process of learning and teaching. A research that occurs in the classroom takes the form of certain action taken to improve the teaching and learning process in order to improve learning outcomes that are better than before. So in my opinion, understanding title in CAR is if we can make a good title by doing research, that we get that then we will get a result or solution that can improve the learning process. Next.
Slide-nya next.
Next slide.
Okay, how to identify the problem. From Mr. Sofyan videos about analysis and formulating the problem, I conclude that the good title is come from the problem that we face while doing a learning process. So, as Elliot mentioned too in Hopkins 1993, that one of the essential of action research design is initially an exploratory stance is adopted, where an understanding of a problem is developed and plans are made for some form of interventionary strategy. It means that the CAR itself is come from the problem that we develop or we identify, and after that we make a plan to solve the problem by provide a new strategy, method, or approach. So the first step to make a title on CAR is probably identify the problem. So we can identify the problem by doing some analysis or diagnosis. We can also use a question like, what happened in my classroom? What the cause of the problem? What is the effect of the problems? What will happen before the problems have a solution, and what we can provide the problem. So after that, we can make we can make an analysis in order to formulate the problem clearly. How to formulate the problem clearly? We can use self-reflection as a tool to analyze the problem. So the self-reflection is itself based on student result, attendance list, learning material, and students report. And four, after we get the problem, we can provide the alternative solution to solve the problem. As Mr. Sofian says, that the result of a car might be offering the new strategy, method, or approach. So I give you some example to make title. So after we get the problem is, for example, the lacking of speaking skill. So we are going to do is provide the best solution or alternative solution. So the solution that we provide is using focus group discussion. So it will be the title, improve the students speaking skill through focus group discussion method. I think that's it. Next.
Okay, I'm Meme Milani. I'm going to explain about criteria of good title. So the first one, the title relates to problem in the class. So the title relates to the problem in the class. It means when we want to make a title, we analyze or look for a problem that exists in the class first. What problem are we facing? What is the problem to solve? For the example, problem about the speaking skills because the student feel less confident. So we can take or make title such as improving speaking skills. So we need to focus on speaking skill. So we have to remember the problem that will be put into the title are problems that really arise in the class is the real problem. And the second one is avoid using unnecessary word. Okay, the title is the first detail or phase of the paper that is read, right? Hence, it needs to be simple, accurate, direct, appropriate, specific, brief, focused, memorable, informative. So avoid titles that are too long. For the example, the writer avoid words like study of, investigation of, and the others. For example, study of fostering student ability through traditional talking stick. So the word study of should be removed. Okay, so eliminating unnecessary word, it will not reduce the meaning, and then make sure the title is short but obvious. And the third one is containing practical use. So researchers have worked. So the results should be useful for the readers or the science or the society. So it need to think about the result of the research with the title, whether there are benefits or not. So what are the readers reading for? Yeah, they want to get solution, information, benefits, knowledge, so that they can solve their own problem. So the title made should immediately explain the solution or the benefit. So they will be interested in reading your entire content or script. Okay, the fourth and fifth point will be explained by my friend Rosita.
And Firda, take to okay. And number four is sufficient data available. That means we must be enough for the data available, and that's make this simple for the research to make the some report. And the last is able to perform by research. That means the research now about the new or can make good report of the research, and we need that. Okay, and the next Firda. Firda. Firda, suara di mute-nya nyalain.
Okay, guys. Now I will explain about variable. Wait. What is variable? Variable is something that takes different values. From Bhopal 2002, and variable is something from Kerlinger 1973. According to Kerlinger 2006, variables are constructs or properties to be studied that have varying values. Kerlinger also said that variable is symbol on which we put any value or number. And then why variable? Why named by variable? Because it is but vary and also can change anytime. Next. There are two kinds of variables. According to Sawal M. Silo 2019, independent variable is the variable the experimenter changes or controls and is assumed to have a direct effect on the dependent variable. Dependent variable, also called by problem variable or X variable. Second, dependent variable is the variable being tested and measured in an experiment and is dependent on the independent variable. Dependent variable, it's called by solution variable or Y variable. And then the independent variable, the value of independent variable can change and control the experimenter. And then the value of dependent variable also dependent on the value of independent variable. Next. The example of variable. First problem is how does phone use before bedtime affect sleep? And then I get this problem. Someone from us have a girlfriend or a boyfriend, and then usually each other call the girlfriend or boyfriend before they sleep in the night. And then I want to know how it affect to the sleep, to the quality of sleep. And then the example, X variable, the amount of phone used before bed, and variable is amount of hours sleep and quality of sleep. The second, the effect of marriage age on the risk of divorce. Many teenagers that get married on the young age, and then I want to know it is I want to know it is effect or not to the risk of divorce. Example, the age of marriage, and Y variable, the risk of divorce. Next, Dimas.
Okay, last slide. Before last slide is example of car title. So before I'll explain, I'll show you example title of car. So I will little bit explain basic elements title that important in to make a title in car. Sorry. There is 3 elements. So the first one is what do you want to improve? In car, you should have the problem, and then second one is how the action will be used. Uh, uh, use the method to as an important tool of the research, and the last one is who will be upgrade. Uh, the object have to be improved. The object that have to be improved, and then example. First example is using science teaching material based on SEVI, somatic, auditory, visual, intellectual method to improve students' learning result on 8B class. And then second one is improve students' writing skills to make text procedure using make a match method on 9th class in SMP 3 Mekarjaya. So uh, in this example, in this title, sorry, uh, why I give the color in this titles because in green word it mean the method in this title, and then the red word that it's mean the problem of the title, and then purple word in this case is that object. So that's it. Okay, thank you. Next, the conclusion.
So there is the conclusion, or you want some, Mr. Sofyan? Mr. Sofyan?
Q&A only, Ci.
Oh iya,
Conclusion the last.
oke. Okay, for now, we can open Q&A. Just satu sesi ya? Satu sesi 2 orang? Or what? 1 termin, 2 people. Right?
Ini nggak ada tanggapan dari Mr. Sofyan dulu apa gimana?
Iya, makanya nih lagi, mungkin Mr. Sofyan belum buka omong.
Lagi ke kamar mandi kan?
Mungkin.
Lanjut aja kan ini udah di record.
Nggak ada tanggapannya.
Okay, invasion.
Gimana sih?
Or we can wait to Mr. Sofyan. Anda apa?
Coba dikontak dulu Mr. Sofyannya karena ini kan waktu juga tinggal 5 menit lagi.
Okay, our time 5 minutes again.
Nggak di PC, Fir.
Ya, question.
Aku tidur lagi kali.
Di chat Zoom beliau.
Firda, Cece Vika.
Nggak ada yang masuk. Vika nggak masuk.
Nanti dia di ini lagi yang lain. Apa link yang lain?
Ya jangan-jangan dia salah link kali. Time-nya tinggal 4 menit lagi nih. Mau pindah dulu ke ruang yang baru.
Pindah dulu. Bilang Mr. Sofiannya kita pindah karena waktu
Pindah
udah
aja,
habis.
pindah.
Ya udah.
Pindah dulu.
Pindah kelas nih.
Terus stop record.